In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a card website. By the end, you'll have a clean, simple one-page site built from scratch using Card's tools, even if you've never made a website before. Start by opening your browser and going to card.co. Card is a lightweight site builder designed for quick, beautiful one-page websites. Once you're on the home page, click Sign Up and create your account. After you've set it up, log into your dashboard so everything you build is saved under your profile and easy to find later. From the dashboard, choose Create New Site, then click New Site. This takes you into the template library, where you can browse a wide range of starting points. Take a moment to look through categories that match your goal, like personal profile, landing page, or portfolio. When you find one that fits your style and layout needs, click Select or Choose. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Templates are fully customizable, and you can change almost anything. Now it's time to edit the website content. Click directly on any text to edit the words. Use short, clear headlines and concise descriptions so visitors immediately understand who you are and what you offer. If your template includes placeholder images, replace them by uploading your own. Choose images that are high quality but optimized so the page loads quickly. Keep a consistent look by using similar styles or colors across all visuals. Next, adjust the design to match your brand. Change colors to create a simple, cohesive palette. Aim for strong contrast between text and background for readability, and stick to 2 or 3 core colors to keep things clean. If the layout isn't quite right, modify layout sections to rearrange or resize areas. Small tweaks to spacing and alignment can make a big difference in how polished your site feels. To expand your content, click the plus icon labeled Add Element. This opens a menu of building blocks you can drop into your page. Add text for headlines or details, add image for logos or photos, and use buttons or links to point visitors to important places like your social profiles, a store, or a contact method. If you want to hear from visitors directly, add a form for simple inquiries. To showcase media, add a video and embed it from a supported platform. And that's it. You've created a card website by choosing a template, customizing the visuals and layout, and adding the elements that matter most. Keep refining your text and design until everything feels clear, focused, and on brand.